It is a great place to be collecting coins today. The Morgan and Peace program, now we're into the proof version of that, and it's all the talk. Silver Eagles are always popular. But our job, one of the things we take seriously, is trying to find the values. Where are the pockets that just are, well, for how rare they are, for how old they are, the places to be. And this next item is something we're bringing back for the first time in over a year together. And they're at the same price. Look at that price, everybody. We're talking about vintage Walkers, vintage Franklins. These are 90% silver half dollars. They're encapsulated, they're hand-selected, circulated coins, and you're under $15 a coin. So we're going to the jugular right out of the chute here, everybody, just because I can't resist. Our competition on the Walking Liberties, which you're looking at right now, are $43 to $69 each for circulated coins, whether it's 1 or up to 10. The Franklin, which is that bottom shelf we're going through next, are between $43 and $55. Now the mint mark variable on the Walking Liberty, half dollar at the bottom, move to your left a little bit at about 7 o'clock is the mint mark. It'll be an S or a D. On the Franklin, it's going to be above the bell, and we're going to show you that too. So we're looking at tonight, where not that long ago, when silver was $50 an ounce, these melted for $20 each. To have them available here tonight in the show as a collector coin with multiples available at only $14.95, it's a great item. Now, I'm asked all the time, if I'm going to put some money in silver, where should I go? And I've always been a person that likes to be in a lot of different places, kind of a pack rat in mentality, but I'm always looking at one thing, value, 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 right? And you can't ever go wrong with the popular items of today. Like I mentioned earlier, the Morgan and Peace dollar program, which they're bringing back in 2023. Popular as can be. You can't touch it. It's just exciting stuff. The Silver Eagle is the #1 coin in the world today. By the way, where did we get the design from? But then it comes down to ultimate silver and value. And there are many vintage U.S. silver coins that on a coin-by-coin basis are more affordable, better buys than a Silver Eagle would be today in the marketplace, or a silver round would be in the marketplace today. And that's where it gets to be kind of funny. So now let's talk about these two series to start. Actually, good point, Hunter. Let me take a step back. avccoins.com is the place to be at any point during our chat on this product or other products during the show. We've enhanced the ordering process, whether it's smartphones, home computers, laptops, etc., to make it real simple and real clean. When you see it flash, it just means the phones are busy. What does the your choice mean? Let me explain that as well. It means if you only like Franklins, you don't have to buy the Walking Liberty. And if you only like the Walkers, vice versa. If you want to buy 7 of one and 10 of the other, that is your choice. We break it down to the smallest common denominator here at America's Value Channel, and then let you have all the narrative. You can pick. By the way, right below the E and the S at the top of the coin, that's the Denver mint mark, the mint mark location for the S's and D's in the Franklin series. So value, value, value is always the name of the game. And where can we find the best value is really what the challenge is for most of us on a regular basis. We'd love to be able to say that, hey, Kennedys are the best value, or Roosevelt dimes are the best value. And there's actually a way to prove that. There's a net weight value, because again, the modern coins are pure silver, where these are 0.900 fine U.S. coin silver. But the net weight is always the indicator on where we are. And here's just something just to walk through the steps and just talk about. So a Silver Eagle today, most of our competitors are $49 to $59 a coin, right? For a 1 ounce silver. And that's 31.101 grams of silver. Beautiful stuff. Love it. We had a sale not too long ago at $39.95 and we sold out, and we're restocking this week. Hope to have them back very soon. If you look at the net weight in silver on the Walking Liberty half dollars, they're 12.5 grams. That means basically 3 of these is a little bit heavier than a 1 ounce Silver Eagle. Well, if Silver Eagles are over $50 and you can get 3 of these for $45, That's where we look at where's the value reference on just outright silver today. Is it better to buy silver eagles or better to buy 90% or 40% or medallions or legal tender, all those types of things. So that's kind of what I was talking about. It's where does the value come in? One, these are vintage coins. The Walking Liberty series was 1916 through 1947. It's the current design on the Silver Eagle. It's our most beloved silver coin ever. And that Silver Eagle's been out there since 1986. We're still making it today, 38 years later. That's a beautiful design of Lady Liberty walking from east to west. It was replaced by the first non-presidential coin ever, Ben Franklin in 1948. That lasted to 1963, and this is me talking out loud, and many of you might have the same feeling. If it wasn't for the unfortunate events of President Kennedy and the assassination in late 1963, we might still have the Franklin half dollar out there today. Was there a more influential person in the founding of this country from the science of to the actual diplomacy of, right? And then it comes down to, well, value. Silver value. Silver has been bouncing around a lot lately, which is what it's supposed to do, right? Where are the values? All I can tell you is our competition on the Walking Liberties are priced between $43 and $69. P's, D's, S's all mixed up. Just the lowest price coin they had was 43 bucks. The lowest price coin they had on the Franklin in a beautiful hand-selected circulated. Branch mints all mixed in, 43 bucks. That's 3 of our coins. You can buy a pair of ours and have enough money for breakfast tomorrow. That's the kind of value. Guys, we got to put a 1-minute clock up. Whenever we can find circulated coins. Now, what do? We don't pull out coins. We pull out crap, yes. So if there's the obverse and reverse aren't matching, we pull that aside. If there's a color, a ding, or just somebody wrote on it, which happens at times, those are pulled. Otherwise, they all have to have a look and a feel. Full dates, full mint marks, full legibility, and it's in the deal. There's a great mixture of coins. If you're buying 10, you're going to probably get 10 different. Now, you might get a 1954 PD and an S if you buy 3 Franklins, because the mint marks are inclusive of this deal, and that makes it even more fun. Because this is not a excluding of Denver's or excluding of San Francisco's. It's a great mix. So if you want 10, you're going to get 10 different. You want 10, you're going to get 10 different. It's all about silver values today. And again, 43 to 55, 43 to 69 on the Walkers. And tonight we're at $14.95 for the first time in a real long time on these Walkers. An alternative to silver? Nah, this is the place silver is meant to be. Thanks for spending a few minutes of your time with me, but it's time for us to be moving on.